What is accrual basis accounting? Why is accrual basis accounting important to most nonprofit organizations? What are the key pro and con considerations? Let's talk about it. There are two main methods of accounting: cash basis accounting, accrual basis accounting. The definition for accrual basis accounting is revenue is recorded when earned, expenses are recorded when incurred or actioned. For an example, an organization that has a workshop, someone who shows up who didn't register, you let them attend. You hand them an invoice. We record the income through accounts receivable at the time of the workshop. When they pay a week or two later and you receive the cash, that goes into your bank account and accounts receivable is reduced. That's in contrast to cash basis accounting, where revenue and expenses are recorded when they go in and out of the bank account. Both GAAP, generally accepted accounting principles, and IFRS, International Financial Reporting Standards, advocate for these methods. So why is this an accepted best practice? Let's take some look at the pros and then followed by the cons. The key pro to me is funders, donors, sponsors often feel comfortable and can only donate and contribute to organizations that are on accrual basis accounting. Generally, accrual basis accounting will help make internal control systems much safer. Audits are typically on accrual basis accounting. Budgets work better on accrual basis accounting because they'll match to the income statements. This will help with performance tracking, stability. Information will be on a consistent basis. From a safety point of view, it's less open to manipulation. And finally, all these impact your reputation. What are some of the cons? It's a more complicated system than cash basis. It's more time consuming. Because of those two, costs can be higher. And because of those three, it can be harder to understand from other individuals. Now, when might accrual basis accounting not be the right choice? And when could cash basis accounting be more efficient? Very small organizations, cash basis accounting will work for them, especially ones that are all volunteer driven with no W-2 labor. And also organizations that might have short-term efforts. Consider an organization that's operating on an annual basis, but just is running a summer reading program that's only active in the months of July and August, and they have a 12/31 year end. They're going to have more months of inactivity and active activity. So the difference between cash and accrual there might be not too much. So what are some possible accommodations if there's some pushback to understanding of accrual basis accounting? We can have supplemental reporting that can bridge some of the issues you might have with accrual accounting to cash basis accounting through dashboards and supplemental schedules. We can provide training to individuals so they'll understand the accrual basis accounting better. And we could consider modified cash basis accounting. What is this? This is a cash basis accounting or accrual basis accounting, depending on which way you lead, that has some aspects of one or the other. So that's it for today. For more information, visit our website at SE4Nonprofits.com. See you next time.